Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO Y35, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now this process will allow you to get rid of screen locks, so if you have one set that you just don't remember, you can get rid of it this way. Now one more thing to mention is that if you are also logged into a Google account, which most likely majority of you are, then the device will become FRP locked because of this. And what that means is once the reset is finished, you will need to verify one of the ways to basically finish up the setup. And the two ways that you have choice between are the previously utilized screen lock on this phone or the previously signed in Google account. So assuming you don't know the screen lock, you're only left with Google account. Now for those people that don't know their Google account either, for some ominous reasons, I'll be making a video on how you can bypass this. So if you're interested, stay tuned for the next video that I'll just kind of guide you through it. So now to get started, I'm gonna lock the device and just show you that the device is locked. I'm gonna bring my face a little bit closer so it won't also unlock it. As you can see, it's not my face that is added in here, that's why it's not unlocking it. And I'm gonna start off from the lock screen. So we want to power off the device, hold power, select power off, and once the phone turns off, hold power key and volume up at the same time. As you can see, this boots us into fast boot mode. So from here, using volume keys, you want to select recovery mode, which I did by mistake when I let go of the key. So there we go. So make sure it's selected in blue, then press power key to confirm it. Once you are in the recovery mode, select clear data, clear all data. It will give you a message that clear all data removes everything from your device, but if you don't know your screen lock, it doesn't really matter to you. It's not like you have access to your device, so let's select OK. This will begin removing the data. This stage right here only takes a couple of seconds, and as you can see, it's just finished. So let's select return, back arrow, there we go, and then select restart. OK, and this will be continuing the factory reset in the background, so the device will take a little bit longer to boot back up. That's completely normal. Once factory reset is finished, we will be then presented with Android setup screen. So I will be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you could set up your device however you want, assuming it's not locked, obviously. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.